Hello, welcome. I'm Brad Gossard from Regal Power Transmission Solutions Conveying Division. Here today I'm going to talk to you about our mobile flat sorters. Mobile flat sorter is a derivative using our ModSort technology where we've built a subsystem that can easily be integrated into a larger solution. We can provide an induct system, which is typically driven by 24-volt DC motorized drive rollers, either with fabric belts or as a live roller conveyor. Then we also can provide the induct into the unit that gaps the product. So these run in successively faster speeds to appropriately gap the product going into the scanner. The scanner is agnostic for us. It could be anyone's vision equipment. We have built a mask that is able to articulate downward at a joint for easy shipment. Everything on here is on casters, so it's a mobile system. We can provide the control system with the HMI that controls the unit, takes the signals from the photo eyes, gives the logic back to the control cards to get you to the divert point for the package that you need. So coming on down from this unit, we get to the true ModSort technology. And the ModSort technology utilizes our 2253 roller top belt, which has evenly spaced balls that as the belt rolls over a fabric belt, the balls turn and the product on top, whether it's a box, a poly bag, a jiffy, or a flat, will move at twice the speed of the blue belt. Then underneath the belt, we have a motorized drive roller driven fabric belt at a right angle. And the vector quantity between the speed of that belt and the speed of the top belt can give you a variable divert angle. So the balls are omnidirectional and you can get a number of different angles of divert in a ModSort. So again, our patented ModSort technology is based around 24-volt DC motorized drive rollers, which we lag and we groove so that the actual balls on the belt can articulate and be driven by friction across the face of the roller. So here, this unit justifies the package to either the left or the right, given the signal that the control system passes on, and it will either justify it to the left, justify it to the right, so that when you get to the divert sections, you have 4 divert sections here. So you can divert left, right in this first section. You're taking the signal that the package has crossed over the photo eye. Then on the second section, you have another divert. So you can actually have 4 gaylords on each of these. Now these units are expandable by simply fastening together another section and you can get 4 more divert points. So you've got positive on the exit of the package, recognition that the package has diverted at this section with another set of photo eyes on each divert point. So again, it's mobile, it's flexible, scalable, so that you can continue to add on as demand increases. It's also quiet, it's safe with the 24-volt DC motorized drive rollers driving this, and ergonomically it replaces manual sortation with automated sortation. So this is our ModSort mobile flat sorter, and Tom now is going to tell you more about exactly how it works. Thank you.
Thanks, Brad. Hello, everyone. We are really excited to show you our ModSort flat sorter, a truly unique sortation solution system that is modular and scalable. Now we want to show you how it works with examples of different package types that many of you have received on your doorstep at home. The expandable modular transfer and sortation system works extremely well and has provided solutions for many of our customers, ranging from integrators, e-commerce, warehouse distribution, and 3PL logistics companies. If you would like to contact us, please do so either through our website at www.regalbeloit.com or use our booking tool